Hey, what's up guys? In this video we will see how to enable blue light filter on the Poco C75. Now to do that, just swipe down and open the control center. Now from here just scroll to the right and tap on reading mode. Now if you cannot find reading mode on your control center, just tap on edit. Now from here just drag the reading mode option to the control center. Now once you add the reading mode to the control center, just tap on done. Now from here, you can enable or disable reading mode. Now from here, if you tap and hold on the reading mode icon, you can select between classic or cycle, which will achieve optimal comfort by adjusting the colors automatically. Or you can choose classic, and from here, if you tap on the arrow icon, you can adjust the color temperature. Just like that. And this is how you can enable blue light filter on the Poco C75. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.